Hello everybody, today we are going to see another Arylic Wi-Fi audio receiver. It's called Cobblestone. Let's see what's inside. Let me open the box. This is the main unit, and let's see, this is the manual. This is the micro USB for the power. This is the 3.5 mini jack, and this is the 3.5 the RCA stereo cable. And this is the power adapter. And for the power adapter, we have different types for different market. There is US type, the European type, and the UK type power adapter. Next, let's see the features on the main unit. And this is the micro USB and for the power, and you can see. And this one is the 3.5 mini jack, and there are two cables for to extend to connect to the amplifiers or connect to the active speakers. We have two cables for different scenarios. Maybe some need the RCA cable, some only needs the 1-to-1 3.5 mini jack. And this one is for the LAN connection. This can not only connect by the Wi-Fi, it can also connect it by LAN cable, the RJ45. This one is the WPS. Actually, it can also be used as a reset button. It feels very good. It's frosted plastic, and it also looks very nice. The design is very good. It's not big, as you see. It's just like a frisbee. A bit like. Next, let's see some more features of the Arylic Cobblestone Wi-Fi audio receiver. From the box we can see these are the music services we have. Now we have Spotify Connect, the Tidal, Cubus, and now we are also integrating the Deezer and some other audio streaming services. From the box, and you can see there are 3 touch buttons. On the unit you can see, when it is powered on, you will see the more clearly. And this is for the play, pause, and this for next, this for previous. So you can control, that's to say, you can control the device either by the application on the cell phone, or you can control via the touch buttons on the main unit. And we also let's check more. Of course, and we can also support DNA and AirPlay. As you can see. So you can stream the music from the Mac PC or from the iPhone via the AirPlay and or any streaming services that support DNA or streaming players that supports the LNA protocols. Okay, that's the main features of this audio receiver. And then next, where I'll show you how to connect, how to set up the system. Okay, see you in the next introduction video. Yeah, bye bye.